Course outcome 5 and 6 will be the assignment, right? The project for uh, fluid mechanic. So we're going to look at the what are the project that you're going to do this semester. So for this semester, you're going to design a device that can measure the average velocity of a wind, right? You're going to uh, measure the kinematic and dynamic properties properties of a wind flow, right? So you have a wind flow, and you have your devices. This one is a black box geometry, and from this geometry you will measure the average velocity, right? The mass flow rate of the fluid flow, right? So that will be your um, project for this semesters. Right, I use two exclamation mark there does not mean that I'm get angry or what, alright? So just reminders to the students so they don't get confused. So I just want to repeat again, you're going to build devices. Alright, so that will be your ni lah, eh? You'll be designing and fabricating with property measuring devices. So they can be an individual project or a group project. Next week, 1% out of 100% of course mark for submitting the least one of conceptual design of the prototype and list of group member. So next week, same day, you're going to submit one of conceptual design. It means there can be more than one, right? And then list of group member. This task will be submitted to your group leader. And privately send it to me. Right. So next week, Wednesday, midnight. So your group leader should submit two document. First, one of the sketch, right? So this one will be sketch by hand. No need to use CAD drawing, CAD software. Just sketch and sketch. Ask your friend who like to do drawing, right? Ask him to or her to do hand sketching, and then submit that hand sketch to your group leaders. Group leaders will submit that sketch with the list of group member. Alright, now we look at the assessment method, right? Just want to review again. So we have assignment, which is 15% that should satisfy the course outcome number 5 and 6. Then we have final examination 40%, and then we look at quiz, 2 quiz. Now we are doing that 3 quiz, sorry, and then we have test 30%. Farah Hafika asks, one group, how many person can have the whole class maximum, or two person in one group. Next we have the reference book, right? The faculty suggests book from Professor Chungel and Shimbala, title Fluid Mechanics Fundamentals. Right now we are looking at the fundamental and application together. So I have shown you the example where we learn about fundamentals and what we learn about application. So those books that related to what I've teach last week can be used.